Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Landingi from your landing page workflow. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Landingi dashboard. Navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Locate the landing page you want to uninstall Landingi from. Click on the landing page to open it. In the top menu, find the Settings option. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Integrations section. Identify the Landingi integration in the list. Click on the Disconnect button next to the Landingi integration. Confirm the disconnection when prompted. Return to the Pages section. Check for any other landing pages linked to Landingi. Repeat the disconnection process for each of those pages. After disconnecting, navigate to the Integrations tab on the main dashboard. Ensure the Landingi integration is no longer listed. If it still appears, click on Manage Integrations. Select the Landingi integration to remove it completely. Click on the Remove or Uninstall button. Confirm the removal when prompted. Once finished, your landing page workflow should no longer include Landingi. Return to your main dashboard to review any changes. Test your landing pages to ensure they are functioning without the integration. You have successfully uninstalled Landingi from your landing page workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.